So today we're gonna make banana bread.
Mommy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, a couple more pieces, please.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
A couple more.
More?
Yeah, the whole banana. There we go. More.
More?
Keep on going.
You need to get a point?
Mm-hmm. Eggs. We have mashed banana. We have the brown sugar. We have the butter. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, we got it. Okay, careful. Okay.
I'm gonna grab my.
You're gonna hold the bowl. Hold the bowl. There you go.
You do like that.
Yeah, good job. You can grab the bowl. You want to make yourself closer?
You got this. You're doing a good job.
Yeah.
I'm doing a good job.
So one. So we're mixing. What are we mixing?
Flour.
We're mixing the flour, baking soda, and the little quarter of teaspoon of salt.
Smell good.
Yeah. Okay. Keep on mixing. So now we're gonna mix both. This is the wet mixture, and then we're going to mix it.
Mommy, just right there.
Yeah, keep on whisking it. Come on.
Okay.
Mix it. Yeah, there you go.
Oh,
whoa. Okay.
It's just here.
Banana bread. Okay. The rest.
There's more.
Okay. That's okay. Now combine all products together.
Yep, I see something to get a little bit, like a little paste. Ooh.
Yeah. So mix it well. Because that's what we're going to put in the pan. That's basically the banana bread. And then we can top it off with some chocolate chips on top. So that it can...
Chocolate chips?
Yeah.
Mommy, I'm getting some chocolate chips.
Our banana bread mixture onto a non-stick pan that was coated with
Smell good.
oil.
Smell good. I smell good.
You smell good?
Yeah.
You smell good.
Okay.
My